So if someone tells you you can't have a baby seat in your Supra, tell them to watch this video. I'm not going to put that on the internet. I'm going to get cancelled anyway for something.
I'm putting it on the internet.
Gio, have you ever seen a baby seat in a Supra? You know, I've looked up how do you install a baby seat in a Supra? So many places, and it seems to be nowhere on the internet. Aside from a few forums, people just saying there is a mount in the back. I couldn't find it in my own car. There's not a single photo that I was able to find, not a single video. So I'm going to show you a little bit about how this seat works. I'm not going to go into too much detail, and we're going to fit it to the Supra. This is not an episode specific to baby seats, but this is just the one that I bought for the car. I'm pretty sure that you can buy heaps of them. They're all similarly sized. The smaller the better for a Supra though. Basically, down the back here, if you see, we've got these holes here. The seat belt goes through the back, runs to the other side, comes out here, and it actually locks down underneath this. Pull it tight. You've got the strap here that goes over the top of the seat. So as I mentioned, there is a rail here with a thread in it designed for a baby anchoring point for a Supra. And that mounts with these. These came with the aftermarket mount, which is just a washer that goes on the inside. It's on a little bit of it's got like a taper to it. So that goes flat against the body. This from the other side with a mount in the middle of it goes like that, screws on. I used a random bolt that I had laying around because the one that came with the actual mount itself didn't fit. There's a wrong thread. When it's down, you pull it tight through this little mechanism here. Basically, it is strapped by the back and the top, and that's all there is to it. Not sure if this rule applies everywhere, but a baby has to be 6 months, I believe. It could be that, just check where you're from, where the baby must be facing backwards. I'm not sure if there are seats that fit the Supra in reverse. So for Supras, and the sake of this video, it can only be normal forward facing, which means unfortunately Gio cannot be joining me on any drives in the Supra for another 5 months. The real main thing for the Supra is that they actually do come with factory baby seat mounts.